Good morning. I hear the sound of the birds, my darling's beautiful little bird sitting as she put her creative skills into creating. I pretend like I can hear the magic of his throat sending out the beautiful sounds of birds. Oh, you little darling. I join with you in this song this morning. Your throat bringing forth the glory of God. Ah, how you cure all my barking dogs. Oh, you bring a sweetness of spirit and joy that beholds a day that is opening for all of us. I can pretend like I can hear the children of my heart singing with their voices as they sing from their throats, searching out to find that bliss in one moment. Oh, little bird, we love you. Listen to your beautiful sounds. Oh, how sweet is the sound of a bird singing to you as you sit in the sunlight and you watch the clouds overhead with their blue puffiness. You hang on your branch so faithful and, oh, look at you, so patient. Oh, thank you, sweet bird, for being in my dreams today.